In today's video, we're talking about a lot of summer projects you can do with this $2 bottle of hydrogen peroxide that's tucked away in your medicine cabinet. Most all of us have one of these. We give around $1.50 to $2, depending on the size of the bottle and where you get it. Well, you can do a lot more than take care of a scratched knee with this little bottle. Let's share some of our ideas that we've got. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how to take this bottle of hydrogen peroxide and clean your favorite cup. All of us have these cups. We use them over and over every day. The kids have these cups and we use them and we refill them and sometimes forget to run them through the dishwasher or give them a good washing. And they do get some germs. So I'm going to show you today how to use this to get your cup sparkling clean. In the summer, we're always drinking water and we reuse these cups over and over. Now you can run them through the dishwasher, but using just a little bit of hydrogen peroxide will clean your cups really well with a couple drops of Dawn. Put a little bit of hydrogen peroxide. I'm going to add a little bit of Dawn to my cup. I'm going to be using just a white paper towel and give it a wash. Let it run down in the straw as good as possible. Turn it that way so it will soak. Make sure you wash your lid and your rim, the straw holder real good. And yeah, you can run these through the dishwasher, but you're doing it this way, the hydrogen peroxide kills all the germs that linger in our water cups that we don't really think about. So now we're gonna let that soak a few minutes and give it a rinse. Okay, now we're just gonna rinse my cup off real good. Set it over here and let it dry. But now, my cup, I know, is clean and sanitized. Ready for my next cup of ice water. The second thing we're gonna clean is our chicken drinking buckets. I have 2 buckets that I use for my chickens. They work great, but they do get dirty sometimes. So I'm going to be cleaning my bowls for my chickens today using just a little bit of this. It kills the germs and it takes care of the dirt. Let me show you how. You can use peroxide. Take the top off. If you got chickens, you can use peroxide to wash out their bowls with also. Kills all the germs. Won't hurt your chickens. And it's a lot cheaper than buying. Rinse them out real good and they're ready for the chickens. Just with a little. Now the next thing you can use hydrogen peroxide for is your kids' outside toys. If they have a lot of plastic toys, just put them in a bucket, fill it up with water, put you about 1/4 of a cup of this in it and let them sit there in the sun for probably all afternoon and then rinse them the next morning. If you want to add a little bit of Dawn detergent to your bucket and rewash them and rinse them again, you know that your kids' outside toys are clean. They don't have any algae or bacteria on them. Because you know, sometimes when you leave your kids' toys out, say like water toys in a little water game or something like that, they get that slimy feel. Well, this right here will take care of that problem. Now the next thing we're going to be cleaning is our coolers. We went camping, a little bit of water set in the bottom of our cooler so they get that little smell to them, you know. So I'm going to show you today how to take your coolers, if you ever leave them closed or with a little water in them from the ice, take you a little hydrogen peroxide and you won't believe how clean it will get that cooler. This stuff gets down in the plastic, takes that smell out, and takes the germs away. When you go camping, when you get back and you have to clean your cooler, you can use a little peroxide for that too. Kills all the germs, gets down in the plastic good. If your husband has a lunch box, you can clean that with just a little dab of peroxide. Now we're going to go rinse this out. Alright, I rinsed it out. Now I'm going to dry it out good. And now it's ready to go camping. Hey y'all, we got it all wiped down. So using just a little bit of hydrogen peroxide, you can even clean your coolers. Gets all the germs out and helps you brighten the white and keep them cleaner. The next thing I'm going to show you is our boat. If you've got a boat or any kind of things you leave out in the sun and they was to get a little mildew on them, even outside furniture like your patio furniture, whenever it's been sitting out there all winter, you can take your washcloth, add just a little bit of this to your washcloth, even add some Dawn if you want to, and give your furniture or your boat seats and stuff like that a little wipe down, and it'll clean that mildew right off. Even the dash on our boat, I used it on that. This right here can cover a lot of things in the summer. If you've got a boat and you've got vinyl seats or like your dashboards that need cleaning and they're white, you can also wipe them down with it. See how your white dash and stuff, after sitting through the winter, you can take just a washcloth and a little bit of hydrogen peroxide and clean this. Takes that mildew, I guess you'd say, that your outside stuff gets through the winter and cleans it right off. Just make sure you get all the spiders off before you start wiping. And now she's ready to go for a boat ride. Another thing you can use hydrogen peroxide for is your doggy toys and cat toys and even their bowls. If you've got bowls you leave outside for your dogs, or they've got toys out there, you can do just like you do with your kids' toys. Put them in a bucket with a little bit of this, let them soak, and then rinse them real good. Cleans your doggy and cat bowls up like magic. This right here can do a lot more than what you think. And in the garden, you can also use hydrogen peroxide in your garden around your plants. It does wonders for your garden. It'll kill the fungus and even get rid of some of the bugs that might be in your garden. And it even helps the root systems. If you ever have a plant that looks like it's dying, give it a couple tablespoons of this around it. The next morning you go out there and you check out your plant, you might see a difference using just a couple tablespoons of this. And speaking of the garden, when you start bringing your vegetables in and you need to wash your vegetables, you can add just a little hydrogen peroxide to your water, throw in your vegetables, let them soak, and clean your vegetables with just a little bit of hydrogen peroxide. If you're like us and you've got a ramp and it builds up algae, you can take a little bit of hydrogen peroxide and also clean that algae off of your ramps. Ramps are known to get that, and it makes them real slick. So you got to be careful sometimes, especially when it rains and that algae's on your ramp. Using a little bit of this, you can take that off and make your ramps a lot safer and prettier. The next thing we're going to talk about with hydrogen peroxide is your clothes. Working outside in the summer, we all get a lot of grass stains. So you can use a little bit of this and it'll help lift those grass stains. If you're using it on colored clothes, just be careful because sometimes this will mess up colored clothes. But if you have anything white or anything light in color and you've stained it with grass, it'll take it right out. Another thing you can do with hydrogen peroxide is when you've got water shoes in the summer, or like the Crocs that everybody wear, and they get that stinky smell to them from the summer, you can take a little bit of this, add it to a spray bottle, dilute it with a little water, and spray out your water shoes. Like if you go fishing and you wear a pair of water shoes and you get back and they got that wet smell and they dry and they got an odor to them, mixing this with a little water and spraying them and then washing them will take that odor right out of your water shoes. If you've got white shoes and you have a little stain on them, even if it's not from grass, but you skin it or something like that and it gets a brown mark on it, try a little bit of hydrogen peroxide. You can clean a white pair of shoes real easy using just a little bit of this on a washcloth. And our last thing we're going to talk about is our trash cans. With a little bit of hydrogen peroxide and add a little Dawn to them, take some kind of brush, give them a good scrubbing, and that'll help cut down on the odor that your trash cans have to keep. Even if they're empty, you still think sometimes you smell that bad smell like there's trash in it, but there's really not. Well, it needs a good washing, and you can use a little bit of hydrogen peroxide and it'll dilute that smell a whole lot. Well, okay, y'all, I hope you liked this quick little video on talking about things you can do with hydrogen peroxide. It can do a lot more than just take care of a skint need. You can clean and sanitize a lot of things with this $2 bottle of hydrogen peroxide. If you like our video, don't forget to hit the hype button. Give it a thumbs up. And if you hadn't subscribed already, consider subscribing. We'd love to have you. And like always, Travis and myself just want to say a big thanks for watching our channel and happy cleaning.